So I'm at the log pile this morning. Inky, our farm cat's joined us. These are my logs that I've set aside for milling with my friend's homemade Alaskan chainsaw mill, which is kind of relevant to the point because I have a log here in my log pile that's pretty big. I want to get it down for milling. It's quite a nice log. It's this one here. It's quite high up there. That log there. So I want to get that down for milling. I would normally cut it into rounds there and throw the rounds down. I can't think of any other way of getting it down other than towing it. Okay, that's all hooked up to the truck. In theory, that's going to pull from the top up there and roll the log off into somewhere here. Who knows what's going to happen. I might need to convince Inky to disappear. That went really well. Perfect. Didn't destroy the pile too much. This log's now in a position where I can safely get to it. I can move that with levers and so on. Inky didn't even move. I was a little bit worried, but she wasn't even bothered. She's probably going to run away now. Right, well, now that log is down and out of the way, let's crack on, cut some firewood. big army helicopter just flew right overhead just as I was refueling. Alright, I need to stop there because that's easily a truckload. There's a log I pulled off to begin with. One that I'm gonna mill with our friend's Alaskan sawmill. And these rounds here, those are other logs for me, and that's actually chestnut. I forgot to mention that before. 572, cutting with a 24-inch bar. Next time I do some cutting, I'll be going up there. But that's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.